So the Amazon Influencer Program has finally arrived to the UAE. In this video, we're going to be walking you step by step into how you can right now start your business as an Amazon influencer. However, you guys know this is a channel that's dedicated for Amazon sellers. So if you are an Amazon seller, make sure that you watch the video till the end, because I'm going to explain to you how the Amazon Influencer Program can help you generate more sales on Amazon. Are you ready? Let's get started. If this is your first time watching a video on this channel, hi, my name is Crystal and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society. We are an Amazon certified service provider and we work and support sellers just like you right here on Amazon in the Middle East. I'm so excited about this Amazon Influencer Program. If this is your first time hearing about it, well, it's just because it was recently launched in the UAE. So, Amazon hauls, Amazon unboxings, videos and TikToks about buying products on Amazon. They are so popular. Right now, you can have a dedicated store as an Amazon influencer. And by the way, you don't have to be a huge influencer with thousands of, or maybe even millions of followers. You just need to have a love and passion for buying products on Amazon. And to be frank, who doesn't? And just sharing those products with your audience. Let's get started with step number 1, which is registering and becoming an Amazon influencer, which is, by the way, open to most people that just have a social media account. Now, all the pages will be linked in the description box of this video, of course, as always. And you'll find this page is the page that you need to get started with. You simply sign up to become an Amazon influencer. You'll notice that it really just took me about 1 minute. What I used is my Amazon customer email, which I use to buy products on Amazon. And I also used my YouTube channel where you're watching this video on in order to get accepted to become an Amazon influencer. And this is my Amazon store. As you can see, it's still empty because I'm going to fill it out with you and show you a few things. Right here, I'm seeing the dashboard and I can see things like edit profile, reporting, manage content. And this is, of course, information that customers or people who are logging into the store will not be able to see. If you'll notice, you'll have anyone that creates an Amazon influencer account will have their own shop, which looks somewhat like this, but of course with your information. And then you'll have a specific link where you can send people to that shop. Now, what are the advantages of having a store and becoming an influencer? An Amazon influencer? Well, you can have a store. You can add the products that you like and that you recommend on that store. And instead of, when you find a product, maybe sharing the link of that product on a story, which goes away after 24 hours, or in your feed, whether that be Instagram or TikTok, and with time, people forget about it. If you just put your product in a store and you take that link and you add it into your bio, every time you promote a new product, potential customers will log into the store and see everything else that you recommend. So it's always where you're always promoting any product, and you can remove a product, by the way, at any time. That's the uniqueness. And every time somebody purchases from your store, you get a commission anywhere between 2 and 9%, depending on the product and the product category. With that being said, let's click on what we can create when it comes to the storefront. I also want to highlight a great page that I'm also going to link in the description box of this video, which gives you a lot of information with very helpful videos about how you can create content from an idea list to a shoppable photo or a shoppable video and everything in between. And just as a side note, by the way, of course, you can utilize your phone to do everything that I'm showing you right now. But just to make it easier, I'm just using my laptop because it's easier for me to show you on screen. But you can upload everything using your mobile phone, which is obviously much easier. With that being said, there are 2 ways of creating content on this store. First of all, you can create an idea list. And an idea list is basically a bunch of products that you like and you grab them and you put them all under a certain category, which here is called an idea list. So as an example, this is the great store from Mariam George. And by the way, you can also be promoting your other social media channels as well. So if somebody follows you on TikTok, you can promote your Instagram and vice versa. So as you can see here, she's talking about her favorite lip combos or lip favorites. If we click, we'll be able to see 3 products, 2 from Maybelline and 1 from e.l.f., which she recommends, all under one idea list. Going back, we can also share a photo or a video, hence why it's very easy to utilize your phone, because you can have a photo on your phone and just simply upload it and tag certain products in that photo or video. Here is another store from Kira, who happens to be an epic gamer as well as a mom and an overall great, lovely human. So as you can see here, she's got several posts, and you notice the word pinned on those posts. More on this in a little bit, but you'll also see shoppable images. So let's click on this image, and it actually takes us to her incredible gaming room, may I say, and she has linked all the products right here from her gaming room. So that's also something that you can do, and you can do the same thing for a video. Going back to her store, you'll notice that there are pinned idea lists. Basically, she has pinned them right here. And the concept is very much similar to Instagram, where you can pin particular posts or reels or anything that you want so that they show up on the top of the store, no matter how many products you add. And yes, of course, you can change it around, you can remove and do anything that you like. So becoming an Amazon influencer is certainly a good idea if you want to make a little bit more money. But how about if you are an Amazon seller? Does this program make any difference for you? Well, of course it does. Because as an Amazon seller, you might also be a huge Amazon customer. And I think you are, because most Amazon sellers are also incredible Amazon customers. So if you have a nice loyal following online, whether that be Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, anywhere, you can promote your own products as well as other products that you like. So this is a way to promote your products. And additionally, if you don't want to go down that route, one thing that you can do is you can start working with all of these incredible influencers, whether they already have an Amazon, if they are an Amazon influencer or not. Preferably, if they're not, you can make an agreement with them so that they can become Amazon influencers. And then rather than them just promoting your product once by creating a story, they can add your product into their store whereby it's constantly being promoted. Or you can also find current Amazon influencers and try to communicate with them and get them to and work with them to also promote your product. So it's either where you start off with helping influencers become Amazon influencers, or you work with existing influencers. The name of the game is to put your product out there and to promote it to as many customers on social media as possible. That's it for this video. Make sure that you leave me your comments and your questions in the comments section below, and I'll make sure, if I get a lot of interesting questions, to do a part 2 of this video. But now you can go ahead and immediately become an Amazon influencer, and I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.